In an era where hybrid work, creative flexibility, and portable productivity rule, the Mobile Pixels Duex Float 2.0 Pro stands out as one of the most refined portable monitors you can add to your setup. It's not just a screen, it's a mobile workstation enhancer, a creative companion, and a gaming-ready display, all in one sleek featherlight form. At first glance, the Duex Float 2.0 Pro looks like a design upgrade from the future, 33% lighter and 20% thinner than its predecessor, making it effortlessly portable. Slide it next to your laptop in a backpack, and you'll barely feel the difference. The sandblasted aluminum finish, matte anti-glare coating, and integrated kickstand make it a beautiful yet functional piece of hardware. The stand doubles as a protective cover, adding durability when traveling. Mobile Pixels has also added optional magnetic mounts for users who prefer a stacked or side-by-side setup directly on their laptops. It's clear, every curve and component was designed to streamline your mobile workflow. The Mobile Pixels Duex Float 2.0 Pro isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete reinvention of the portable monitor. It delivers studio-quality visuals, gaming-grade refresh rates, dual-device charging, and true plug-and-play simplicity, all in a chassis thinner than a magazine. For professionals, content creators, gamers, or anyone who lives between workspaces, it's the kind of tech that genuinely changes your workflow. Once you've experienced this dual-screen freedom, you'll never go back to working on a single display again. The Duex Float 2.0 Pro redefines what a portable monitor can be: elegant, powerful, and perfectly tuned for the modern hybrid world. It's not just an accessory, it's an essential tool for anyone who works or creates beyond the desk.